Good morning everyone. So last time we did comprehension. So today we are going to read a comprehension. Okay. So today we are going to read a comprehension. Okay. So how to do a comprehension, or how to answer the questions of the comprehension we are going to do today. So let's read a comprehension. Okay. 5 armed terrorists barged into the parliament premises, New Delhi, in a suicide attack. Okay, it's just like reading a chapter, so just pay attention. So there were 5 terrorists who barged means who entered means into a parliament premises, New Delhi, in a suicide attack. Suicide attack means they were about to harm others also, and they were going to harm themselves also. They were going to destroy themselves also, and they were going to destroy others also. They gunned down 7 persons before security personnel killed them. Gunned down means they killed 7 people before the security people could kill them. 17 others were injured in this attack, and 17 others were injured in the attack. Okay. One of the terrorists had a bomb attached to his body and blew himself up. This is called suicide attack. He had a bomb attached to himself. वो अपने आप को एक bomb उसने बांध रखा था खुद से, and he blew itself. उसने वो बटन दबाया and the bomb blast. It was a big blast, and the person to whom the bomb was attached also died. No member of the parliament was injured in the attack, but the vice president had a narrow escape. No one was harmed in that attack of the parliament, but the vice president had a narrow escape. Narrow escape means was very close escape he had. Okay, the terrorist killed his security man. The terrorist had already killed his security man, and it was a very close call. The vice president would have also died, but he fortunately survived. The gun battle between the security man and the terrorist lasted for over an hour, and this battle of killing the terrorist lasted for an hour. The terrorists were armed with pistols, automatic rifles, grenades and explosives. They had pistols, automatic rifles, grenades, those hand bombs, no? Green color, if you have seen in the movies, it's that. And the other explosive also they had to destroy the entire parliament. All the terrorists came in a white car with red lights and a siren, just like in other VIP cars of Delhi. See, how did they got to enter in the parliament? They had a white car which had a light and siren on it. So the guards or they thought that this might be a VIP car, so they let them enter inside, but they didn't know that there were terrorists in that car. Okay, so this is the passage that we have read. It's over. See, now how do you solve question answers? How many security men were killed in the personnel? So in the attack, how many security men were killed in the attack? So this is what you will get the answer. You have to remember where you have read this. We have read this in the first paragraph. Okay, see here, they gunned down 7 persons before security personnel killed them. So they said how many security men were killed. Okay, so in the security you have to read the passage very carefully to answer this question. So the answer is 7 security men were killed in the attack. Okay, you have to remember the question, and you have to you have to remember the passage also. Okay, where you have read the particular part. Now the next question is, see, the next question is, what were the weapons used by the terrorist? Now this question I just answered it before coming to the other page. Here on the last, the terrorists were armed with pistols, automatic rifles, grenades and explosive. So this is where the second answer is, and here the 7 persons is the first answer. Okay, now we will see the next question. What happened to the vice president? This also we have read on the earlier page. from here the vice president had a narrow escape. Okay, so here is the third answer. Now what happened to the security guard of the vice president? So what happened to him? The terrorist killed his security men. So his security man was killed. Okay, so describe the vehicle they came in. And this was the last question, this was the last part that we read, that all the terrorists came in a white car with red lights and a siren, just like in other VIP cars in Delhi. So this is the last answer. So you have to read the question and you have to remember where you have read the answer to related to the particular question. Now we will find you have to find words or phrase which mean the same in the as below. See, these are the words given. You have to find words similar to them. Okay, get killed means gunned down. You have read this, gunned down, in the first passage. See here, gunned down. Gunned down means they killed. Okay, here save marginally means narrow escape. So narrow escape was of the president. So here, see, the answer is next. Entered means barged in. So here we had read in the first line, means they entered the parliament. Then hurt means injured. So we have read this here, they had injured, they had was injured in the attack. No member of the parliament was injured. Okay, hurt means injured. Chot lagna. Okay, and then comes the tick the correct answer. So how many terrorists entered the parliament? 5. Okay, how many people were injured in the attack? 17. How long did the gun battle last? So it lasted over an hour. See here, they were attacked. Okay, who killed the terrorist? Security person of the parliament. Okay, so this is all the answers that you will find in the paragraph itself, and you have to remember where you have read which line which is related to the question. Okay, so this is how you solve a comprehension. So I will give you a comprehension to solve in your assignment. You just answer the questions whatever are given in the comprehension, and if you have any kind of questions you can ask. Okay, thank you.